Look around you right now, this moment. It's basically a miracle. The life you're living has only existed for a tiny sliver of human history. We're talking less than 0.001%. That's insane when you really think about it. Most of us walk around thinking this is normal. Hot showers, grocery stores, smartphones, just regular human stuff, right? Wrong. We're living like kings compared to 99.99% of everyone who came before us. So where did we actually come from? Our journey starts 6 million years back. That's when we split from our ape relatives and went our separate ways. Then 2.8 million years ago, the first humans showed up on the scene. Here's something wild though. We weren't alone. When modern humans appeared 200,000 years ago, at least 6 other human species were hanging around. Imagine that. Different types of humans living side by side. Talk about awkward family dinners. Some of these cousins were incredibly successful. Take Homo erectus. They survived for 2 million years. That's 10 times longer than we've been around. The last of our human relatives vanished about 10,000 years ago. What happened to them? Nobody knows for sure. Maybe we outcompeted them for resources. Maybe something darker went down. Either way, we're the only ones left standing. Let's rewind to early human life. For nearly 2 million years, progress was painfully slow. Then everything changed when we figured out fire. Fire was a total game changer. Cooked food meant better nutrition and bigger brains. Light extended our days. Warmth made winters survivable. Plus fire scared off predators and helped with hunting. By 300,000 years ago, different human species were living in small groups. They had tools, buried their dead, and most importantly, they could talk to each other. Here's a fun thought experiment. How far back could you go with a time machine, grab a baby and raise them today? Most experts say about 70,000 years. Before that, they'd be missing key genetic updates for modern language and thinking. Around 50,000 years ago, something incredible happened. Innovation exploded. Tools got sophisticated. Culture became complex. Why? Because humans developed advanced language and teamwork skills. This is what makes us special. Not our weak bodies or poor senses. It's our ability to cooperate in massive, flexible groups. No other species can do this at our level. Our evolved brains unlocked 3 superpowers. First, rapid knowledge expansion. Second, preserving that knowledge across generations. Third, building on previous discoveries for deeper insights. But here's the thing. For the next 40,000 years, life stayed pretty much the same. Our ancestors were survival experts with incredible physical and mental abilities. They knew their environment inside and out. Many could probably outthink and outperform us in their world. Then 12,000 years ago, agriculture happened. Everything exploded. Before farming, everyone needed to be a survival generalist. After farming, people could specialize. Some focused on better tools, others improved crops. Innovation became possible. Reliable food sources changed everything. We could store grain, build permanent settlements, and organize into larger groups. Villages became cities. Cities became empires. Knowledge exchange accelerated. Progress went exponential. 500 years ago, the scientific revolution kicked off. Math, physics, biology, everything we thought we knew got turned upside down. The Industrial Revolution followed, creating the foundation for today's world. Think about this timeline. 125,000 generations since first humans. 7,500 since modern humans appeared. Civilization started just 500 generations back. Science began 20 generations ago. And the internet, that's been around for just 1 generation. Today we live better than any humans in history. We've reshaped the entire planet. We light up the night sky. We've put people on the moon and robots on Mars. A modern high schooler knows more about the universe than ancient scholars could dream of. But here's the scary part. We're still basically the same as humans from 70,000 years ago. Our current lifestyle has existed for almost no time at all in the big picture. Are we building something sustainable, or is this whole civilization thing sitting on quicksand? Nobody really knows. Next time your coffee gets cold or someone cuts in line, remember this. You're living in the most extraordinary time in human history. Maybe those little annoyances aren't worth getting upset about after all.